I'm a master gardener and I have my certification in permaculture design. I'm going to talk to you about how to get rid of creeping thyme. So the word creeping in its name means it's probably a very invasive plant. Creeping thyme is a great ground cover. It spreads quickly, you don't have to give it a lot of water, not a lot of care, but it also means it can probably pop up in a lot of places in your garden if you don't have barriers to restrain it. The same is true with mint. The same can be true with rosemary. I've got some rosemary behind me. I've got some mint here in the pot. So what I like to try and do is, first of all, keep anything that's creeping or invasive in a pot or behind a retaining wall so it won't grow and spread to other areas of the yard. Now, if it happened to do it, or if you've got it as a ground cover and you decided you don't want it anymore, the first thing you want to do is to figure out where the base of the plant is. And what you want to do is you want to start digging around the base of the plant so it can come up. Even before that, the first step that's great is to start to prune the plant so you get it as close to the base plant as possible, and start to pull out the little trendles that are easy to pull out because they've got very shallow roots. So once you've got it isolated to a base plant, you have a couple options. One option is to cover that area with plastic. And what you want to do is to basically solarize it. And you can either have black plastic or clear plastic, and do this during the summer when the temperatures get very hot so it actually kills the roots. Another option is to try and dig up the roots and dig up that base plant. You can do that. Hopefully you'll get the majority of the plant. And then if you want to follow up by solarizing that area to make certain that you kill the roots of the plant, you can do that. The only thing I want to caution you on is when you solarize it and kill the roots of the plant, you're also going to be killing anything in that area of soil. So you're going to need to add nutrients back to the soil if you do want it to grow again. So I hope these tips help you in removing your creeping thyme.